During his keynote address at Oshikango in Ohangwena's Helao Nafidi town, Sankwasa said tribalism is currently at a concerning level. He stressed that only citizens themselves can put an end to it and ensure that Namibia remains united. He added that while cultural diversity should be recognized, Namibians must embrace the spirit of one Namibia, one nation.
I have identified in my small mind and my small ways a few challenges related but not limited to one, tribalism, and our inclination to return to apartheid tendencies of Caprivi, of Humberland, Namaland, you name the lands, and cherish such monstrous tendencies and practices, which we need to avoid in independent Namibia. Strange enough, we have some people in leadership positions in all spheres of life who still believe the only way to survive, the only way to get to the top is to be a tribalistic person. We cannot be known as Opanyamas, as Mbalantus, as Sambius, as Lozis, if we have to build in Namibia.
The minister also urged citizens to shun corruption and work towards the well-being of all. The minister also highlighted the government's achievements since Namibia's independence, pointing to investments in infrastructure such as roads, housing, education, and health care. Ohangwena Governor Kadiva Mutumwa has commended the progress made by government over the past 36 years.
As we gather in our various communities, let us be reminded of the significance of this celebration. It is an opportunity for every citizen, not just those in urban areas, to engage in reflection, imparting the spirit of independence to the next generation, but equally to the citizens in the rural areas such as where we are today.
She also paid tribute to the heroes and heroines of the liberation struggle, applauding their unity and resilience in the fight for freedom. Mutumwa emphasized that it was this collective determination that ultimately led to the attainment of independence.